This patient, let's call her Lady Tanda Stokeworth. Soft wax completely blocking the ear canal and making conversation difficult. But there's another problem. This is one of the narrowest canals I've seen in a while. Bismillah, here we go. Getting the Zollner into the wax is difficult enough. The softness has created almost a vacuum seal. Instead of moving as one piece, it's disappearing into the suction bit by bit. So more oil. Let's see if that changes anything. Getting the suction tip around this narrow, tiny curved entrance is another matter entirely. It's really bendy. And deeper down, visibility becomes even worse. I can only work with what this tiny opening allows me to see, although it does get a little bit wider, deeper in. Pulling gently downward seems to be the answer. It's moving. And there it is, the eardrum. Lady Stokeworth can already hear better, but I'm not quite finished. From here, everything has to be incredibly controlled. No sudden movements. I'm simply going to let the suction do the work. A little more oil here. I want it between the remaining wax and the eardrum before I ask this piece to move. The oil has made it exactly where I need it, but it's so soft it's not lifting up in the way I want it to. There, did you see that? No, it's not giving up that easily. And yes, there it is. Look at the size of that piece, sitting in the little dip directly in front of the eardrum. But we're still not done. A piece fell off as it was being extracted, and here is the rest. There's a little residue remaining on the eardrum, but Lady Stokeworth really doesn't like me working here. I'm not chasing perfection at the expense of her comfort. This ear is done. Now the left ear, and remarkably we can see almost exactly the same problem. Soft wax, narrow canal. This time I'm oiling even more generously from the beginning and massaging the tragus to help it travel deep. Surely this one is going to be easier. Letting the suction do the work, and finally movement, very slowly. It's beginning to travel up the tube. Yes! But look behind it. The eardrum is moving too. Out immediately. How do I remove this piece on the eardrum when there's barely enough room to get the instrument through? The wax is simply too soft to lift cleanly. Now I need to work out how to separate what's left without pulling on the eardrum again. More oil. Here we go. No. Too much oil obscuring the view. Gently, contact, and yes, another bulbous piece is free. I'm clearing the easier outer section first. Less debris obviously means less oil splashing onto the lens and a much better view of what really matters deeper down. That's more than I expected to come away. Now comes the difficult part. This suction tip has to reach that deep pocket without touching this incredibly narrow, bendy ear canal. But there's simply no attachment. I have one other option now: irrigation. It can work beautifully with wax this soft, but this piece is really lodged. Now that I've irrigated, everything is wetter, but the piece is still sitting there. Maximum suction. The eardrum is moving with it, and this is not comfortable. So that final piece stays. Lady Stokeworth can already hear considerably better, and we'll bring her back in a couple of weeks to see if we can safely finish the job. See you in the next one. 2 failed earwax procedures before. What happened next?